Hey guys, Finega Master back here with another quick little update for you on the situation. So this is one of the AT machines that I bought. Someone was asking about this in the comments of another video, and I had a little bit of a teaser there with the 1020 megahertz thing. This is an Informate business computer desktop. I believe it's a 20 megahertz 286, but it has a turbo switch on it. Yep, ADC28620. So it can run at 20, and I have it set to run at 8 now instead of 10. It did not have a hard drive, and it had two 5¼ inch diskette drives, and it had an MDA video card and this disk controller, and that was it. Actually, it had a battery as well, but that machine is now here, as you can see, and I have the hard drive disconnected for reasons. But it has 1 megabyte of RAM on board. I believe this is 1851. 511 and then 000 at 10 megahertz chips, I think that is 10 nanosecond, I don't know, -10. There's a separate bank there for more. But I went through, I disassembled this whole machine, and I set all the jumpers the way I'd like them to be set. And I've got an EGA card here. I don't have any TTL monitors, I don't have anything RGBI, so I'm using this EGA Wonder on composite, emulating CGA composite, so I can get a picture on my TV. It's going to be kind of flickery, but I'll see it pop up in a second. It fails its extended CMOS checksum and memory error because diskette drive seeks, and it's also got an IBM Type 665-53 hard disk now. Now this is 44 megabytes, I want to say, something to that effect, and it has a 1.2 and a 1.44 megabyte diskette drive. This is actually the third controller card that I've tried to use with this machine. I actually have the original AT controller card, which actually did come out of a real AT. This card was working for a while, and then the hard disk controller quit. There's a Pro Audio Spectrum. This Cirrus Logic card I used next, and it would not recognize my diskette drive. Big surprise. So now I'm using this one, which recognizes the diskette drive, and kind of on the hard disk, not too sure on that yet. I'll keep you updated. But my big problem right now is this AST Advantage 128 card. This is my memory expansion board. This actually came out of a real AT. This came out of a 512K AT, mind you. It says a serial port, option for another serial port, game port, parallel port, and up to 1.5 megabytes of RAM on the board, and you can have an expansion thing that comes on here and brings up to 3 megabytes. Well, I can't seem to get it to work. I can get the first 128K working, but I cannot get the next 512K working. It will not work. If I put it, well, excluding these, but if I put it in with the 128K, it'll bring it from 512. This should have 1 megabyte. It recognizes 512. I put 128 in here, and it recognizes 640, which it should. And I put 512 more, it says 640. Can you see my issue here? Now I'll put the other 512 in here, and then it'll say 640 and 1152. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm going to keep looking into it. I might just get a different RAM expansion card, but just for temporary, I took the audio card out, which is an ESS audio drive of some sort with no IDE controller, and the modem out. And I have another expansion card there I can test if need be. Also, I have a new workshop, if you can't tell. A little bit of a new space here. So, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll get this working and I can show you some stuff on it later.